So I've had this a couple of weeks now. It's the Bahco 1/2 inch 24 piece socket set S240. Quite cheap, I paid £60 for it. It's in a good solid case. Looks like it's damaged there, but I think that's how it's meant to be. But anyway, this top cover's a bit hard to use. You get an extension, a small breaker bar, which is really handy, and a smaller extension as well. A little pot to put some, I don't know what you use that for, but it's in there. So it goes from 13 to 32. So 32, 30, 27, 24, 23, 22. So it skips a few, but it goes from 23 all the way down to 10 without a break. So that's pretty good. Good universal piece. I use these a lot. But you can tell the quality of them. The stamping, the feel. The best bit is the ratchet. Really good quality. That's as good as snap-on quality if you ask me anything. The handle's not quite so good or comfortable, but the ratchet part, perfect. I mean, that's all there is to say. Don't cover much. I like deep sockets as well with my sets. Usually I have a 3/4 with 3/8 with shallow and deep, but this was the best buy I could find at the time, and it should do well. It's definitely heavy duty, high quality sockets. So yeah, if you're looking at one of these, I recommend them. You're going to need probably a bigger ratchet at some point and a bigger extension, bigger breaker bar. What you do get is good quality. Okay, if you're looking at one, buy one. Good.